Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of men's grooming with a focus on the latest and greatest tools for achieving that perfect look in 2024. Whether you're aiming for a clean shave, a well-groomed beard, or a polished appearance from head to toe, we've got you covered. Let's get into the top 7 and nuts grooming tools that are sure to elevate your grooming routine. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One is a versatile grooming tool that promises to be a game-changer in your grooming routine. Its sleek, ergonomic design features a powerful motor that handles a variety of grooming tasks with ease. The Groomer comes with multiple attachments, including a full-size steel trimmer, a detail trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, and various combs for beard and hair trimming. What sets this Groomer apart is its dual-cut technology, which ensures a precise and efficient trim with minimal effort. The stainless steel blades are self-sharpening, ensuring long-lasting performance. The device is also water-resistant, making it easy to clean and maintain. With a rechargeable battery that offers up to 5 hours of use on a single charge, it's perfect for both quick touch-ups and extensive grooming sessions. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One stands out for its durability and effectiveness. It's designed to tackle various grooming needs, from shaping your beard to trimming your hair, and even handling delicate nose hairs. This all-in-one solution is ideal for anyone looking to streamline their grooming routine without compromising on quality.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Wahl Micro Trimmer for Hygienic Grooming. The Wahl Micro Trimmer is designed for precision and hygiene, making it an essential tool for those meticulous about grooming. Its compact design makes it perfect for detailed trimming of nose, ear, and eyebrow hair. The micro trimmer features a high-quality stainless steel blade that ensures a clean, accurate trim without irritation. One of its standout features is the advanced rotary blade system, which effortlessly tackles even the smallest hairs. The trimmer is equipped with a built-in light that illuminates the area you're working on, providing enhanced visibility for precise grooming. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuverability. The Wahl Micro Trimmer's durability is notable, with a robust build that can withstand regular use. It's powered by a long-lasting battery, offering reliable performance and convenience. The easy-to-clean design ensures that maintenance is hassle-free, making it a great addition to any grooming kit. For those who value precision and hygiene, the Wahl Micro Trimmer provides an effective solution for keeping small, hard-to-reach areas neatly groomed. Its thoughtful design and powerful performance make it a top choice for detailed grooming. Number 3. Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimmer Kit for Grooming. The Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimmer Kit is a comprehensive grooming solution designed specifically for beard care. This kit includes a high-performance trimmer, a range of attachment combs, and a detailed instruction manual, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and grooming enthusiasts. The trimmer features a powerful motor and high-quality stainless steel blades, ensuring a smooth and even trim. Its adjustable combs allow for precise length control, catering to various beard styles and lengths. The trimmer's ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuverability around the contours of your face. Durability is a key highlight of the Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimmer Kit. The device is built to withstand frequent use, and the blades are designed to stay sharp for an extended period. The kit also includes a cleaning brush and oil to keep the trimmer in top condition. With its versatile features and robust build, this beard trimmer kit is an excellent investment for maintaining a well-groomed beard. For those looking to achieve a professional quality beard trim at home, the Wahl Groomsman Beard Trimmer Kit offers precision, versatility, and durability. It's a reliable tool for anyone serious about their beard grooming routine. Number 4. REHOYO Electric Razor Shavers for Men's Grooming. The REHOYO electric razor shaver is engineered for a close, comfortable shave, combining advanced technology with user-friendly design. Its rotary blade system is designed to provide a smooth, efficient shave, reducing irritation and ensuring a close cut. The shaver features 3 independent shaving heads that contour to the curves of your face, offering a closer shave with fewer passes. Its high-speed motor ensures powerful performance, while the built-in precision trimmer allows for detailed grooming around sensitive areas like the mustache and sideburns. The REHOYO electric razor is equipped with a rechargeable battery that provides up to 90 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. The waterproof design allows for easy cleaning under running water, adding to the convenience. The shaver also includes a travel lock feature, making it ideal for on-the-go grooming. Overall, the REHOYO electric razor shaver offers an impressive combination of performance, convenience, and ease of maintenance. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient electric razor for daily use. Number 5. Lopeie Beard Trimmer for Men's Grooming. The Lopeie Beard Trimmer stands out for its precision and versatility, making it a valuable tool for any grooming kit. With its sleek, modern design, this trimmer offers a range of features tailored for optimal beard grooming. Equipped with high-performance stainless steel blades, the Lopeie Beard Trimmer delivers a smooth, even cut with minimal effort. Its adjustable comb attachments allow for various beard lengths, catering to different styles and preferences. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use during grooming sessions. One of the key advantages of the Lopeie Beard Trimmer is its long-lasting battery, offering up to 120 minutes of cordless operation on a single charge. The trimmer is also fully washable, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Its compact design makes it a great travel companion, ensuring you can maintain your beard wherever you go. For those looking for a reliable and efficient beard trimmer, the Lopeie Beard Trimmer delivers on precision, convenience, and durability. It's a fantastic choice for achieving a well-groomed beard with ease. Number 6. Remington Head-to-Toe Body Groomer Kit. The Remington Head-to-Toe Body Groomer Kit is an all-encompassing grooming solution designed to tackle a range of grooming needs from head to toe. This kit includes a versatile body groomer with multiple attachments, allowing for comprehensive grooming with one device. The groomer features a powerful motor and precision blades that deliver a clean, efficient trim across various body areas. The kit includes attachments for trimming hair, shaping beards, and grooming sensitive areas, ensuring versatility in your grooming routine. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver around different body parts. Durability and performance are key highlights of the Remington Body Groomer Kit. The groomer is built to withstand regular use, and its rechargeable battery offers up to 70 minutes of cordless operation. The device is also water-resistant, making it easy to clean and maintain. With its comprehensive features and robust build, this kit is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an all-in-one grooming solution. For those looking for a complete grooming experience, the Remington Head-to-Toe Body Groomer Kit offers versatility, performance, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any grooming routine. Number 7. DORCO Lineup Razor Ultimate Grooming Tool. The DORCO Lineup Razor is designed for precision and performance, making it an ultimate grooming tool for those who value a close, comfortable shave. Its innovative design features a high-quality stainless steel blade that ensures a sharp, clean cut every time. The razor is equipped with a pivoting head that adjusts to the contours of your face, providing a closer shave with less irritation. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, allowing for precise control during grooming. The DORCO Lineup Razor also includes a built-in trimmer for detailed grooming of sideburns and mustaches. One of the standout features of the DORCO Lineup Razor is its durability. The blades are designed to stay sharp for extended use, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The razor also includes a moisture strip that helps to soothe and protect the skin during shaving. For those who demand the best in grooming tools, the DORCO Lineup Razor offers exceptional performance and precision. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it a top choice for achieving a perfect shave. And there you have it, the top 7 men's grooming tools for a perfect look in 2024. Each of these products offers unique features and exceptional performance to elevate your grooming routine. Whether you're looking for an all-in-one solution or a tool for precise detailing, these picks have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and grooming tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.